How to add comments on any post on Pinterest. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add comments on any post on Pinterest. So let's start. First thing we do is we go to Pinterest. Now let's refresh the page and let's just choose any post. Okay, I will choose this one. Now I want to put a comment. You should click here down below on this icon, click on it and then add any comment you want from here. Like I'm gonna write like this one and post it from here, and that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching till the end. See you later.